Imagine a world where money operates in the digital realm, independent of banks and governments. Welcome to the world of Bitcoin ETFs. These exchange-traded funds are transforming investing, offering a safer route to the high-stakes game of cryptocurrency. Now let's dive into the step-by-step guide to making money with Bitcoin ETFs. First, understand what a Bitcoin ETF is. It's an investment fund traded on stock exchanges, much like stocks. Now, Bitcoin ETFs track the price of Bitcoin. They allow you to buy into the fund rather than purchasing Bitcoin directly. This approach has a key advantage. It provides exposure to Bitcoin without requiring you to tackle the complexities and security issues of holding the Bitcoins yourself. It's essentially a safer, simpler way to invest in Bitcoin. With this understanding, you're ready to step into the world of Bitcoin ETF trading. Making money with Bitcoin ETFs involves a few key steps. First, you'll need to set up a brokerage account that offers these types of funds. Think of this as your gateway to the world of Bitcoin ETFs. Next, the game is all about buying low and selling high. This mantra is as old as trade itself, and it's just as applicable to Bitcoin ETFs. You purchase shares of the fund when prices dip and sell them off when they climb. But how do you know when to buy or sell? That's where market trends and news come into play. Keeping a close eye on these can help you make informed decisions. However, remember that all investments, including Bitcoin ETFs, come with risks. It's essential to only invest what you can afford to lose. By following these steps, you can start your journey towards financial growth with Bitcoin ETFs. Knowledge is power, especially in the world of investing. The key to profitable trades lies in constantly learning about Bitcoin ETFs and other investment opportunities. Stay tuned to this channel for more insights and strategies on investing in Bitcoin ETFs and other exciting opportunities. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more power-packed knowledge.